Great afternoon, friends. Today we are going to discuss problem. Calculate the angle of part A 1 degree, part B 1 minute, part C 1 second of arc or arc second in radian. We have given these values. These are angle of 1 degree, 1 minute, 1 second. We have to convert these into radians. So let me start. First part 1 degree. So we have to use the summation. 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi radian. As we know, as we have given 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radian. 1 degree is equal to 2 pi upon 360. It can be written as pi upon 180. What is the value of pi? 22 pi 7 into 180 divided by 2, 11, 90, 11 upon 630. And whenever we solve it, we get the result 0.01746 radian. After solving this equation, we get the result 0.01746 radian, and it can be written as 1746 into 10 to the power minus 5 radian, and it can be written as 1.746 to 10 to the power minus 2 radian. 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radian. 1 degree 2 pi over 360 divided by 2 pi upon 180. Put in the value of pi. We take pi equals to 22 by 7. Yes, you know very well. By simplifying, we got here 11 upon 630, and simplifying here 0.01746 radian. Clear? Now come to the second part. In second part, we have given here 1 minute. 1 minute. Now we have to use this. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. It is read as 1 minute. तो डैश का सामने टाइप को लगा है, it is read as 1 minute. So given, we have given here 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. This implies 60 minutes is 1 degree. So 1 minute is equal to 1 minute is equal to 1 upon 60 into 1 degree here. 1 upon 60 into 1 degree. Now 1 minute 1 upon 60. What is the value of 1 degree? 2 pi upon 360. Simplifying here 180. 1 by 60 into pi upon 180. After simplifying, 1 upon 60, 22 by 7 into 180 to 11, 90. 1 minute equal to 1 upon 60 into 7 into 90 into 11. 11 upon, after simplifying, we got here 420 into 90, 11 upon 37,800. Whenever we multiply this, we got the result 37,800. And whenever we simplify, we got here 0.000291 radian. It can be written as 1 minute equals 291 into 10 to the power minus 6 radian, and whenever we simplify it, it can be written as 2.91 plus or minus 4 radian. So 1 minute number of radian in 1 minute is 2.91 into 10 to the minus 4 radians. Clear? Now we take the third part here. See, this is 1 second. This is 1 second. Now we have given here 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Given 1 minute is equal to 60 second. 60 second is equal to 1 minute. This implies 1 second is equal to 1 upon 60 into 1 minute. 1 second is equal to 1 upon 60. And what is 1 minute? 1 minute equal to 1 upon 60 into 1 degree. As 1 minute here, 1 upon 60 into 1 degree. So what is 1 degree and what is value of 1 degree? 2 pi upon 360, or simply you can written as pi upon 180. So here 1 second equals to 1 upon 3600 into what is the value of 1 degree? 1 degree 2 pi upon 360, simplifying here 180, and 1 second 1 upon 3600 into pi upon 180. 1 second 1 upon 3600 into 22 by 7 into 180, 11, 90. 1 second 1 upon 3600 into 7 into 90 into 11, and whenever we simplify all this, we get here 4.85 into 10 to the minus 6 radian. It can be written as 4.85 into 10 to the minus 6 radian. So we can summarize it as is equal to 1.746 into 10 to the minus 2 radian, and here 1 minute is equal to 2.91 10 to the minus 4 radian, and 1 second here 4.85 10 to the minus 6 radian. It was all about this. So you have to remember these are the very important